Hi class! How are you? Good afternoon, good day, good evening, good morning, whatever. Na. Good day na daw ako ingon sa Hi class! How are you? So it's been a long time and I'm so happy to be back here. So it's my second time to post another content related to our lesson. So this time I'm going to teach you how to find the probability in events using combinations. So let's start. Let's have our first example. Here's a problem. In a grade 10 set of officers consisting of 4 girls and 5 boys, a committee of 5 are to be selected. What is the probability that the committee has exactly 2 girls? Alright, so let's write first the formula. We have the probability of A equals, the numerator is the number of ways of choosing 2 girls and 3 boys. Remember that there are 5 that should be selected, diba, sa committee. Among these 5, we have 2 girls. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So remaining, we have 3 boys. Maunang 3 boys. Denominator, we have total number of ways. That's it. After writing the formula, let's proceed na for our solution. Let's solve for the denominator first. Remember, the denominator is the total number of ways. We're gonna use combination. So there are 9 officers, diba? 4 plus 5 is 9. Then 5 are to be selected. So we have 9 factorial over 9 minus 5 factorial times 5 factorial. Then simplify. Copy 9 factorial over 9 minus 5 is 4. Then factorial times 5 factorial. Simplify. Copy. We have to simplify 9. 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 until 5 factorial. Over. Copy the denominator 4 factorial times 5 factorial. Now we can cancel 5 factorial. Okay. Then let's multiply the remaining digits. So using our calculator, we have 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 equals 3,024. Then 4 factorial is equal to 24. Then let's divide. 3,024 divided by 24, the answer is 126. So there are 126 ways. We're done with the denominator. Let's write it here, 126. Now let's proceed to the numerator. Alright. Numerator. So first we have, there are 4 girls, then 2 is selected. 2 are selected rather. So we have 4C2. Then for the boys, we have 5C3. There are 5 boys, then 3 selected boys. So we have 4 factorial over 4 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 5 factorial over 5 minus 3 factorial times 3 factorial. Let's simplify. So copy 4 factorial over 4 minus 2 is 2 factorial times 2 factorial. Copy 5 factorial over 5 minus 3 is 2 factorial, then we have 3 factorial. Okay? Let's simplify 4. 4 times 3 times 2 factorial over 2 factorial times 2 factorial. We have here 5 times 4 times 3 until 3. Kaya na may 3 factorial sa ubos para makancel. Now, let's cancel out. For the first one, 2 factorial, i-cancel. Second one, i-cancel ang 3 factorials. 4 times 3 equals 12. 2 factorial is equal to 2. Okay, 2 times 1 equals 2. 5 times 4 equals 20. Then again, 2 factorial is equal to 2. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Then 20 divided by 2 is 10. 6 times 10 is equal to 60. So there are 60 ways. This is our numerator. We have here 60. Pinuntahan tong line para dili libog. Let's divide. 60 divided by 126 equals 0.476190476. Then, multiply it by 100%. No need to use your calculator, just move the decimal point kaduha to the right. Then choose at least 2 decimal places. Since ang sunod sa 1 kay 9, mag-add kag 1. I-ground off. So the answer is 47.62%. So the probability that the committee has exactly 2 girls is 47.62%. Understood? Any question? Just comment down below. I will give you another example. A bag contains 15 marbles wherein 9 are white and 6 are gray. 5 marbles are randomly picked. What is the probability that 2 white marbles are picked? Second example, the same process. Let's write the formula. We have the probability of A equals, our numerator is the number of ways of choosing 2 white marbles and 3 gray marbles. Remember, 5 ang gi-randomly pick. Duha ana are white. So, 5 minus 2, we have 3. So, 3 remaining marbles are color gray. Daliag, sulat. For our denominator, we have the total number of ways. The same as our first example, let's solve first for our denominator. Remember, the denominator is the total number of ways. So how many marbles all in all? We have 15 and 5 are randomly picked. So we have 15C5. So that is 15 factorial over 15 minus 5 factorial times 5 factorial. Copy 15 factorial over 15 minus 5 factorial is 10 factorial. Then times 5 factorial. We have to simplify 15. We have 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 times 11 times 10 factorial. Why until 10 factorial? Kaya sa denominator na ay 10 factorial para ma-cancel out na to. So we are going to cancel out 10 factorial. Then let's simplify using our calculator. Palaban kita calculator ani. So we have 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 times 11. The answer is 360,360. Then 5 factorial is equal to 120. Nahagbong calculator. Then let's divide. 360,360 divided by 120. The answer is 3,003. So there are 3,003 ways. Before we solve for numerator, let's write first the denominator. Alright? Very good. Let's proceed to the numerator. Let's start off with white marbles. Again, there are 9 white marbles. Then duha ang gipili. So that's 9C2. For gray marbles, there are 6. Then tulo ang napick. So that's 6C3. That's it. Equals 9 factorial over 9 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 6 factorial over 6 minus 3 factorial times 3 factorial equals copy 9 factorial over 9 minus 2 equals 7 factorial times 2 factorial. Then 6 minus 3 is 3 factorial times 3 factorial. Then the same process, we have here 9 times 8 until 7 factorial over 7 factorial times 2 factorial. For the next one, we have 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial over 3 factorial times 3 factorial. Cancel 7 factorial. Cancel 3 factorial. 9 times 8 is equal to 72. Then, 2 factorial is equal to 2. 6 times 5 is 30 times 4, 120. Where are you? It's 120. Kay calculator pa gyud. Over 3 factorial is equal to 6. 72 divided by 2, the answer is 36. Then 120 divided by 6, the answer is 20. Let's multiply. 36 times 20 is equal to 720. So there are 720 ways. Dugay kaya kung kamot makasulat, no? Char. Nakalimot ko butag ways ganiha. Right. Yes. Nanatay numerator, which is 720. Then let's divide using our calculator. 720 divided by 3003 is equal to 0.239760239. Then let's multiply it by 100%. Imubra ng decimal point, 2 places, then round off, round up man, plus 1. So the answer is 23.98%. So the probability that 2 white marbles are picked is 23.98%. Wow, we did it, class! So that's all for this time, class. I hope na namoy nasabtan, nakatunan, and I'm so proud and so glad that you made it this far. So congratulations in advance. God bless sa inyong exam. Bye!